Hello guys, hope you're good. So let's talk about some exciting ideas of garden bar. Whether you choose to convert an unused garden shed or build your own structure, home bars don't need to be expensive. More repurposing a potting bench to installing a customer wall-mounted bar with a fold-down table. Home bars can be created in the smallest of outdoor spaces. Whatever form of the garden bar ideas you decide to recreate at home, you benefit from the opportunity to gain more than just a new way of using your outdoor area. If you're looking for a new project, then turning to humble palette ideas to create your very own bespoke bar tables and stools could be just the ticket. A simple paint job will do wonders for adding style to a simple bar structure. If you're opting for an on-trend boho garden look, then touches like hanging planters, plants, and imaginative seating will allow your personality to shine in your garden bar ideas as much as it does inside your house. Like with outdoor kitchen ideas, make sure you find a nice spot in your outdoor space which is not using to be fully exposed to sunlight. If possible, find the least windy area. One of the easiest way to do this is by situate your bar close to your herb garden. This way, as well as having tempting aromas wafting around the space, it's quick and easy to add fresh garnishes to your cocktails and creations. Depending on event, you have a few bottles of bubbles alongside cordials, berries, and flavored ice cubes, or a Bloody Mary station with all the ingredients set out to everyone can make their libation to their taste. Shed bars are all the rage, but if your shed is already stacked full of bikes, the lawn mower, and plant pots, fear not. Garden centers are onto it, and many offer garden bar ideas that you can easily construct yourself in a weekend. Even the smallest garden ideas can accommodate a bar. When you think vertically, a simple bar drop bar suspended from the wall is a great way to fashion a compact outdoor bar. Transform a garden bench into an outdoor bar with a gorgeous green wood stain. So this is all about today's video, and I hope so you like it. And if you like the idea, subscribe our channel and hit the like